What's up, everybody? So I wanted to try something different with the drill boxes that I'm making, and the first sort of experiment that I had was painting the front wood panel for the drawer. And so what I did was I painted it black, but I didn't just paint it black. I tried out this Rust-Oleum Truckbed coating, so it gives this textured non-skid finish. And I don't really know its performance on like metal and how well it works for the truck bed, but holy crap, on wood it is amazing. So this is several coats, and you can see that there's this fine grit on the wood, and the more coats you do, the more grit you'll get. But I mean, it has a shine to it. It is dark black, and it is really cool. So I can't wait to put the drill box together and see how it all looks. I think what I'm gonna do with this drawer front is that I'm gonna add these 3D printed Spurs logos on there. So it's gonna be really dope. I can't wait to see it. You should go get some of this, try it, it's pretty awesome.